Hey guys, it is SS-Mann Steiner Feldmann of the 2nd SS of Panzeraufklärungsabteilung. I'm their quartermaster and machine gunner assistant for MGT-1, and I'm here to do a quick video on how to set up your basic rifleman's service belt, equipment and all that. So by the end of this video, ideally you will know how to just do the basics of how to set your equipment up. And I'll even do a little spin around for you. So I'm going to remove all these accoutrements, move over to my table, and we'll get this started. So for your basic rifleman's kit, just bare essentials, you will need canteen, mess kit, pair of K98 ammo pouches, bread bag, be it the early war with the leather reinforcements, the M41 without the leather reinforcements, or the M44, just bread bag in general, service belt and buckle, field spade, bayonet, and then obviously gas mask, canister. So starting off, you're going to want to lay out your service belt. Like so. Very simple step. Easy, anyone can do it. Then, to put on your bread bag. This is a must-know for any German reenactor. Your bread bag will always go on the right side. So never on your left, but always your right side. Simple way to put on your bread bag is either you can slip the belt through these loops, or you can use these buttons. Unbutton your bread bag, and then button the straps back over the service belt, like so. If this would cooperate. Right, and then you just take the little belt hook, loop it on, and that's how you put your bread bag on. Now, for your field flask. This is a M31 field flask. So you can either have the aluminum cup like I do, or the Bakelite. Either one works. But if you see this hook and this strap and button here, going to take this hook, put it and clip it on this D-ring right here. That way it hangs off your belt, the bread bag, like so. And you're going to take this little strap and button, loop it through your leather tab, like so. Then button it, and there you have your field flask, nice, ready, and attached. Now this can change whether, this next part for your mess kit can change whether you're using an A-frame or tornister rucksack, but for the most part, if you're wanting to if you're carrying like a light load with no A-frame, this is typically how you will want to attach your mess kit. So right here, I've just got a basic little leather equipment strap on it. Nothing too fancy. So what you do, undo the strap. And quite like the field flask, you will take the strap, feed it in through the D-ring, then do the leather tab. Then you want to give it a nice little pull through. Then take the strap, feed it under the handle so you don't bend the handle out of place whenever you're securing it. And then simply do it up you know, like an equipment strap. And there you go. That is your canteen and Kochgeschirr mess kit attached, ready for use. So next, move on to the field spade and bayonet. So this is one you're going to want to pay attention to. So as you can see, I already have my strap looped on. You're going to want to really only use the second buttonhole, because what you're going to want to do is feed the sheath of your bayonet underneath that strap. Cooperate. Okay. There we go. Good enough. That'll work. So you're also going to want to make sure these straps at the top kind of are level. You'll take this side of your belt, then feed it through those loops. Then what this does is prevent your bayonet from flapping around, keeps it all nice and secure, as do the German Army regulation. So onto K98 pouches. What you're going to want to do is, one, unbutton the two outer pouches, and then unbutton these little back straps. And then, like so. Then you're gonna want to flip the belt over and make it a little bit easier, and you'll see why. So take this, put the straps over the belt, feed it through this little securing loop here, and then button them back down. You do the same thing on both sides. Yep. This thing would cooperate. It's pretty hard to do with one hand, so ideally you do it with two hands. There you go. Nice and buttoned on. Like so. Then obviously you're gonna want to re-secure your straps. Then you'll just do the same thing to the other side.